Winter's coming, and if you're planning a ski trip, family vacation, or just need extra storage for the cold months ahead, you're probably wondering which roof box actually delivers when it matters most. I tested and researched the top winter cargo carriers on the market, and I'm breaking down the 5 that genuinely stand out. Some are built for luxury performance, others for pure value, and one might surprise you with its clever design. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one deserves a spot on your vehicle. So let's dive in. Number 1. Thule Motion 3 Rooftop Box. Here's what makes it seriously impressive. The capacity is 18 cubic feet, which means you're looking at space for 6 pairs of skis or 4 to 5 snowboards comfortably. During winter conditions, that matters because you're not playing Tetris with your gear, everything fits, everything stays organized, and everything stays dry. The Power-Click Quick Mount system is legitimately genius if you install roof boxes regularly. Your installation takes less than 5 minutes, and there's an audible click that tells you it's locked down tight. No guessing, no second guessing whether it's secure. Just install and go. Now let's talk about what really matters in winter, the slide lock security system. This dual-function locking mechanism has a visual indicator. Red means it's not locked, green means you're good to go. The key won't even come out until it's fully secured, which eliminates that sinking feeling where you drive 3 hours before realizing your roof box wasn't properly latched. Here's the honest part though. The price tag is steep. We're talking $850 to just over $1,000. That's a serious investment, and for some budgets, it's just not realistic. But if durability and reliability matter more than the initial cost, the Thule Motion 3 XL absolutely delivers. You're buying something that'll last through years of winter abuse. Number 2. SportRack Vista XL Cargo Box. You want 18 cubic feet of storage, the same capacity as the Thule, but you're looking at keeping that money in your wallet? The SportRack Vista XL enters the conversation, and honestly, it makes a really compelling argument. Here's the real math. You're getting the same storage capacity as the $1,000 option, but you're paying $300 to $450. That's genuinely shocking value. And the reason is that SportRack stripped away some of the premium features and kept what matters. The storage stays the same, the waterproofing stays strong, the durability is solid. Tool-free installation is straightforward. You get under the box, tighten the knobs, and you're done. Under 10 minutes, easy. Universal compatibility means it works with square bars, round bars, and most factory racks, so you're not stuck hunting for specific crossbar types. The UV-resistant ABS plastic construction holds up genuinely well. We're talking years of winter sun reflection, ice contact, and road salt without degradation. It's not fancy, but it's built to last. Now, here's the realistic part. This isn't the refined, premium experience of that Thule box. The locking system is straightforward, but not as intuitive. The noise level at highway speed is slightly higher. If you're picky about having every single convenience feature, you'll notice the difference. But for the price differential, most people find that trade-off perfectly acceptable. You're getting massive value without major compromises. Number 3. RoofPax XXL Rooftop Cargo Carrier. Want to know something wild? The RoofPax XXL holds 28 cubic feet. That's not 18, not 20, 28. If you're packing for a large family, a ski trip group, or you just like having space to spare, this soft shell option completely changes the conversation. The patented door hook strap system is actually a thoughtful safety feature. Instead of interior straps that could potentially interfere with airbag deployment, it uses door frame hooks. For families prioritizing safety, that detail matters. Installation without a roof rack is actually possible with RoofPax, which opens up options for vehicles where roof racks aren't available or aren't practical. The 10 heavy-duty Velcro strap restraints keep your gear from shifting during highway driving, and there's no audible flapping noise even in strong winter winds. Seasonal storage is where this thing really shines. At only 11 pounds, you can remove it entirely and fold it into a compact storage bag when winter ends. No permanent modification to your vehicle, no roof aesthetics permanently changed. That flexibility appeals to a lot of people. The honest consideration here is that it's soft shell, not hard shell. If someone bumps into your cargo or you're in tight spaces constantly, softshell is more vulnerable than rigid plastic. There's a slightly more dent risk compared to rigid boxes. For most winter driving scenarios, though, that's actually not a practical concern, but it's worth acknowledging if you're comparing materials. Number 4. JEGS Rooftop Cargo Carrier. JEGS' reputation spans decades, and their rooftop cargo carrier carries that heritage forward. This is 18 cubic feet of hardshell capacity with some specific design choices that matter. American manufacturing is stated right up front, and quality control standards are strict. That's not just marketing, it reflects in the build. The heavy-duty HDPE plastic construction is legitimately tough. Winter weather throws everything at it, and it shrugs it off. Zero tool assembly means it arrives ready to install. No assembly required, no small parts frustration, just mount it and go. The 4-corner locking system is straightforward security, and the weather-tight seal is specifically designed for harsh winter conditions, not just occasional use. The dual-side loading access means you can access from either side of your vehicle, which is genuinely useful in parking situations. The aerodynamic design minimizes fuel consumption penalties during long winter drives, which actually adds up if you're regularly driving with a loaded roof box. Here's what puts JEGS in a different category, though: the lifetime warranty. That's a genuine lifetime warranty on the unit itself, not some limited coverage that expires. One user put it simply: JEGS stands behind their product. That peace of mind is worth considering. Number 5. Sailnovo Car Rooftop Cargo Carrier. You need serious cargo space, but your budget is genuinely limited. Sailnovo's softshell carrier shows up at $150 to $250 and delivers something that surprises people about how much value you're getting. 21 cubic feet is massive for the price. That's more capacity than most hardshell boxes, and it's designed to fit families needing maximum storage without premium pricing. The 100% waterproof PVC construction uses 3-layer Oxford cloth that's genuinely durable. Real winter users report complete waterproofing even in sustained heavy rain and snow conditions. The enhanced insulation comes with 10 reinforced straps with specialized hooks and an anti-slip mat. Everything is designed to prevent shifting during highway driving, and the safety door hooks keep everything secure. Universal fit works on most vehicles, and the gear is included. You're not buying separately. Here's something honest, though. The softshell construction means it's more vulnerable to puncture or tear if you're careless with sharp edges or if something impacts it. It's not a weakness for normal use, but it's a realistic difference compared to rigid hardshell boxes. You need to be a bit more careful when loading versus just tossing things in. Your winter gear deserves protection, and any of these 5 options delivers that. Pick what fits your budget and your needs, grab the links from the description, and your next winter road trip just got way better. Thanks for watching.